Hey guys, today we are in Skoda Scala, I believe, and over here we have the MIB3 Entry mine unit, and I'm going to show you how to reboot it, how to force the system restart if for some reason you need to do it. Maybe the navigation is stuck, or the system is freezing, or you made some coding changes and you need to reboot the system for those changes to apply. So over here you have the volume control knob, and you need to press and hold it. Keep it that way for about 10 seconds, and after that you should see that the screen will go off, and once it's off you can release the button and wait for the system to boot up again. As you can see, it boots up pretty quickly, and let's check. Not all elements are available right away, so you need to give it some additional time, about half a minute, for all those things to be ready to use. But the most important parts, the radio, the media, the park pilot, I believe, are available straight away. So after a few seconds you will have access to all your other things, and you can check if the problem that you were trying to fix is resolved by the system reboot. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial, and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.